Hi. Oh, sorry, kids. Alright, kids. Sorry about that. Sometimes when you're working on the farm, your pants just kind of get loose and they drop, It happens. Anyway, today you're going to meet my wife and we're going to go up to the compost and we're going to dump the horse manure. So, let's go. Oh, howdy girls. How you doing this evening? That's already a Missy from last time. Come on, kids. Alright, tonight we're going to dump the manure. So, come along with me. Alright, kids. Let's go get the manure. Woo-wee! That's some stinky manure. Now, Bruce sure does go poop a lot. No, just kidding, kids. Alright. So, that's what we get to dump in the compost tonight. But first, let me cover my nose. Alright, kids, that's better. Got my nose all covered up. So, alright, let's get this manure. Doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo. Oh, shnikes. Woo! Almost fell over there, kids. Oh, man. Bruce sure does poop a lot. Oh, wow. This stuff's heavy. Real heavy. Oh, man. Alright, kids. Now, it's time to dump the manure in the compost bin. Now, check this out. This is where we throw the manure. Right there, kids. Right where my apple core is from last night. Ha! Okay, this thing's real heavy, but if I use my strength real quick, I might be able to get it. Alright, kids, well now we got the manure dumped. Now we gotta smooth it out. Alright, kids, now we just gotta smooth out the compost so it composts correctly. Okay, here we go. Alright, kids, now that we got the compost spread out, we just shut the lid. Alright, kids, now we're gonna go do our vegetable compost. But first, let's go say hi to our friend Bruce. Come on. Oh, hey there, Brewster. How are you doing? Did you have a good lunch today? Say hi to the kids, Bruce. We're filming a show. Bruce kinda shy tonight. Don't worry, he likes y'all. Alright, Bruce. Well, time to say goodnight. Night, Bruce. We'll take you up to the arena shortly. Alright, kids. Now we're going to take the compost up. Let's go. Alright, kids. We're up at the compost. Oh, wait. There's somebody here. Oh, Henrietta. How are you?
Hi.
Henrietta's my wife. What are you doing up here, Henrietta?
I was waiting for you to bring the compost up.
Oh, why don't you say hi to the kids?
Hi, kids.
We've been married for 35 years. I love that woman. Alright, Henrietta will help us dump the compost.
Hey, time to dump the compost.
Alright, dear.
Oh my God, Henry, that's disgusting.
Oh, sorry. Oh, there you are, Henrietta.
Hi.
What are you and the kids doing?
We're just looking at this mushroom. Isn't it great?
Wow, that is a fine and dandy mushroom. I love mushrooms. I am a troll.
Come on, y'all. It's time to go in for dinner now.
Alright, kids. It's time to go in. Quit playing around with those mushrooms.
I'm gonna bring this mushroom in for the dinner.
Oh, that sounds great.
Alright, y'all.
Alright, kids, I had a great time today. I'll see you tomorrow. Say bye to Bruce. Bye, kids.